souls, beautiful souls. In fact, it was love throughout. It was love throughout. Destiny, thank you so much. I really, really had fun and I enjoyed myself yesterday. Manchester one. What's your name? Oh. What's your name? Oh my God, I forgot your name. One of Manchester. If you are here, say your name for me. I forgot your name. No. Hello, one only superstar. Thank you so much, Patricia. Oh my God, everybody one of Manchester. Ode Zuzu, where I forget the name. Ode Zuzu, you know why I love you. It taught me how to fix eyelashes during COVID lockdown by watching your program. Oh, that's nice, Otley. Thank you so much. That's a good one. Lily, thank you. Thank you so much. MD Divas. I can't forget your name. Many people told me their name, but that particular one, she showed me on her phone. Say, you know this name, MD Divas. You know this name. I say, if I don't know, uncle, that particular one is stick. Thank you so much. The Lord is singing that song. Just put my baby to sleep. Oh, you put your baby to sleep. That's nice. That's nice. The Lord, you were really a spot on the light. Oh, thanks, guys. You guys were all amazing. People watching. You guys didn't sleep. Do you know I made some people to go to work and have difficult time today? Yolanda, thank you so much. I'm so sorry for making you drink so much coffee. Lord, please appreciate Success Money. Who is Success Money? I don't know who is that. I didn't see her face yesterday. I saw a lot of people. Success Money. Who is Success Money? Success Money. Thank you so much. Was that the lady that was praying money yesterday? I didn't grab their name. The lady that wore yellow cloth. Don't worry. Very soon, Lolo herself will go on tour. You understand? Where we'll sit down and I'll be dropping some sweet and motivating words for you guys. When I leave, you're going to hang on to it and do things with it. Okay? Don't worry. Lolo herself will go on tour. Hey! On tour with 15 ladies on the table. You get what I mean? You know how that is. You go to like the hotel we were in, you know, the restaurant is massive. You know, we'll go to have that kind of Success Money is a man. Oh, Success Money is a man. Oh, okay. He was there yesterday as well. There were some guys there. They use money. Take. The one that dressed like police. Oh, the one that dressed like police that was praying. Hey, yeah, those people, Hey. I just said, now Ghana must go. They take carry money on that place, man. They made the plane wine. Bros, I hail you now. I salute. Now me be Lolo, the golden fisher, they greet you now. Bros, I greet you now. Yes, they say you be Success Money. Where does sir? I greet you. I see you now operation. That one and another one they were calling Poposki. I don't know if it's Poposki I was hearing. There were two like that on the stage. Oh boy. Oh boy. Those people, they did wine with money yesterday. They tried. Don't be saying I'm mad. They did try. I greet you guys. Bros, I may be Lolo, I didn't greet you now. The one and only Igwe wife of London. I may be that one. I salute. Lolo, I appreciate Inek Mama. Inek Mama is my personal person. Inek Mama is my personal person. Don't say we've come a long way. I Saboro. Looking sophisticated. If I get one brother, we honest, we know they do siam. I forgot Dasha Saboro. I swear to God. Asabo. I don't know the level now, but I wish I get one brother. Even though you get person for me take you. But for be honest, brother. Your beauty yesterday, with your dressing yesterday, they all make sense. They make brain. As I say, neck officer, he says, see my badge. He showed me in badge. Now I say, yes, you are a re-registered INEC officer. Now we're black berets. Oh, they did well. They did well. Now I don't really know much of them, their names like that. But they did well. Oh, that was really, really massive. Thank you all so much. It was great. It was great. Edokubana. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Bongo, sorry about that. The guy with buried his success money. Okay. Hey, yeah, that's good. That's good. Una comment. It's too much. It's too much. Who the Zuzu? Esther. May God continue to bless you, my lady. I'm glad for you. I'm happy for you. Pick up your life, continue your stuff, put every rubbish behind. It's not easy though. Let me not preach that part. It's not easy. Even me, I'm inside the business. It's not easy. You understand? But just keep trying. The love is massive. The love is big. You know, people are really enjoying the tour, like enjoying it. See, adults yesterday, like they were kids playing, enjoying their self, you know. The place was peaceful, was big enough for everybody to walk around, do your thing, chop, drink, everything. It was spacious. It wasn't crowded. Everybody, no. And everybody smells good. Like, when I say everybody smells good, everybody smells good. Ah! Did you people see I was opening my hand? Hey, Lolo. When I was watching the video, I said, Lolo. Anybody come here, I would just open my hand. Yay! Boza! Yay! Because it was real. You see women running towards me like that. Like, yeah, you understand? It's because of my selfie stick. If not, you would have seen even some carry me up safe. You understand? It was great. It was great. You understand? It was great. All of them were coming and hugging, and in fact, it was amazing. Women were not laughing. They weren't smiling. Makeup on point, hair on point. One was sitting behind me. The woman at my back, if you watch one of the videos, the woman at my back, she said, Lolo, look at my makeup. I'm coming to do freedom very soon. I learned it from you. And her makeup was on point. See, everything just, you know, follow each other. Hair was, in fact, words cannot describe. All of them, their hair was just on point. I'm telling you, their hair was on point. Oh, his destiny friend. Hey, yeah, that's nice. For him to come and support like that, that's really, really good. That's a true friend, you know. That's a true friend. They really tried. They tried. Trust me, they did. They did. If you follow all the videos that were there, you will really see that they really, really, really did try. Those men, they open table. Be like they open fire. They were busy. They were busy. They did well. They did well. You know, it was nice. It was nice. It looked like she didn't finish. When I finished and we're going on, when we get to the hotel, I was like, Dim, come and make video of me. If you guys see the video, you're gonna laugh. You see how I was jumping, going. You see, as I was just jumping, going to my hotel room, I'm just coming back from Esther, went up my party, and it was fun. I said, child, it's Lolo, you safe. You don't play, no, they finish. As if I want to be kindergarten again, you know. I saw real love yesterday. Yes, the love it was real. You understand? It was real. Thanks, Tina. Thank you. Guys, keep it that way. Okay, keep it that way. Ude, Zuzu. Esther. Oh God. You know, Esther, I love my name for stage. Everywhere Zeus, everywhere more fish. Yeah. It is sweet me. It is sweet me. I know loud. It is sweet too. It is sweet oh. It is sweet. Forget. Now no girls are going to say take a zoo. Now it is sweet. No deceive each other. It is sweet. It is sweet. It sweet me, sweet my belly. Organic nation, organic queens, not too much. They tell me small for my ear. They go say, Lolo, we dey here for you. Lolo, we dey. Lolo, we dey. I said, but I know they see you now. They say, we dey, Lolo. We dey. We just dey here. Now we get your back. Now we get your back. We did. Okay. When I see share my video, when I see they watch, when I see they support, I say, Lord, no worry. Would they look you? If you do video the next morning, you don't grow. You know, not saying that people they look at. Say, I know saying that people they look at. You know. We did. And really, I saw them yesterday. I saw them. I see them. I imagine and I see them. I didn't tell that. That's how we go. This is me. This is me. This is me. Now we get your back. Now we did that. Now we did watch. Now we did this. Now they ask it. Ngozi, I can find trouble. Me find trouble. I find your trouble. Now they talk my experience, my sweet and my sugar and my honey. They give me Manchester yesterday. We struggle. I find now. We struggle. Let me enjoy my sweet too. Let me talk it too. I'm going to talk it for a long time. Till Esther come back again 2 years down next year. You understand? Oh, thank you. You happy where? Oh, that's nice. Thank you so much, my lady. Thank you. When she turned around and she looked at me, and then she now look again like, yes, that is the real one. She, Allah, like, because I just came from the side, just hold her like this, you know, like, you know, look, I mean, I need that part. I need to either go and cut it myself, or I need that part. That part, they ginger my brain where. That part, they sweet me. If I look at that, that's my sweet for dinner. If I want to just laugh, now I'll just go and play it again, you know. It's sweet there, it's sweet there. About my dress, everybody got their style. You understand? Everybody got their style. Me, actually, to be honest with you guys, I'm an English dresser. Okay? I'm an English dresser. I'm not native kind of person. But if I were native, it's a go-go for me either. But I'm more of like English dress. You know, that's why I'm actually. But when you're someone who can compromise things for anything, you do that. All right? Like, there were some things I wasn't doing when I met my husband. My husband liked it, so I do it for him. So that's like this in life. Let me use it to compare that, because I don't know what else to use to explain it. You understand? So that's how it goes, you know? That's it. When I wear native, it will fit me. When I wear English, it will fit me. But I feel more comfortable wearing my English. You understand? You see kind of small English I wear, so I can wear slippers on this one and go to a house party. Because I feel very comfortable in it. That's me for you. You understand? Before I used to wear long sleeves. If you go down there, no, I just say, you see me, I wear classic long sleeve with trouser, jeans, or my small pose. I go anywhere with it. As I like to dress, you know. Some people like to wear but it's their style. They like it. You understand? They like it. For me, I like that. I feel very comfortable. I got 3 dresses yesterday. 3 dresses. I took 3 dresses along. So, on vote, that one I wear yesterday was, this is, you know the kind of people who vote in the cloth. You will not say you get that to be. If you know the kind of people who vote that cloth, the hair and everything, you will say good. It was nice. So elegant. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you all so much. My queen dress is very beautiful. Thank you. I went to shop that day. I told you guys I'm going to look for a simple dress to wear, didn't I? I got there, I bought 3 dresses. The rest I'll wear them some other day. I love the fine girl. See me on. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, the Zuzu. Wow, no carry. Okay, this hair. This was actually I bought this hair. I fixed this hair together with you guys online now. I said this is the hair I'm going to use for Esther show, but because people did not believe me. They didn't believe me. You understand? I said this is the hair I'm going to use to go to Esther show. I'm going to color it and all of that. It's a new one. I just bought it. But nobody believed me. So my sister was like, this kind of hair is too common. Carry that your orange hair. That hair is outstanding, you know. It's different. You understand? I was like, okay, I'll carry it along. You know, I'll carry it along. Then I got there. I got some extra eyes. And they were like, it didn't make sense. The orange stand up. They style it for me. Like, yes, this is good. You know, let's see the go party yesterday was really good. Your fans really welcome you. Oh, yes, they did. This is your hair. Thank you. Thank you. And Ghana Master. Thank you. Thank you. Ghana Master was just like looking like what's going on here, you know. Thanks, Prince Omori Efe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. They rushed some people go hospital yesterday. A lot of talk show. Yes. Oh my God. I didn't believe it. Yes, a lot of people did not believe me that I was going because I just keep on saying it and saying it and saying it. Now people know you are not hiding. Or they thought I was hiding before. You look absolutely gorgeous yesterday with your hair and your smile. Thank you so much. And some people were like, said you look like Oyibo. Said you look like Oyibo. I said, nah, Oyibo we are beautiful. That's what I'm talking. Jesus. And thank you so much. At least Igwe was with you, even dancing, not some people. You're looking stunning, smart too. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good night, Bellabo. Good night. Good night. Very full of love. Good evening. Good evening. Hey, Kelly Pinky, how you doing? And now, see me some comments. Now, wow. I believe you at first. Okay, at first you believe me, and then later you did not believe me because I oversaid. I love the fine girls. See me, oh. And then I changed your name to Love yesterday. Oh, really? Oh, thanks, Isaac Hayes. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was amazing. It was amazing. Good evening, Pamela. Thanks, Manchester, one more time. Thanks, everybody, for the love. Thanks, Destiny. Thanks, Esther. You guys received me so well, so nice, and I had a lot of fun. In fact, from now to how many months, it will not go off my body. That one is for sure. It will not. Thank you. And you know what? I went to that party yesterday. I forgot my eyeshadow at home. So I had to buy a new eyeshadow palette there. So it just made the makeup very easy because it was nude palette that I bought. I said, I just need something. Igwe was like, can't you do the makeup with that eyeshadow? I said, Igwe, what did they happen now? What did they happen? What did they happen? So the hotel, there was just shopping center around. In fact, that hotel, hey, oh, blah, blah. That hotel is a bay. Everything is around there. If you want to go to that hotel, if I want to go to club, there's more than 5 clubs in that street. Anyone you want to go to. Place was bubbling at night, Saturday night. We arrived Saturday evening, you know. Well, I forgot they fell a lot of that arrive hotel. You had a view area. You want to try? And so let me just look at my phone. Say, where is Lola's issue? I don't arrive. I'm in Manchester already. The video I did when we were going, see, I off it. I even delete the video because some people, they're too smart. That is speak and delete. Yes, city center. It is on the city center. It was really nice. He said, Lola, welcome to Manchester. Now I say, okay, no problem. I need to delete this video sharply. Because if some people go to rewatch this video, they will understand. You understand? They will get the message, because some people, when they are looking at video, they have like my eye. They see what you don't see. He said, Lola, welcome to Manchester. Bam, that's how I have the video. I just delete her. And I don't go see and watch 2 times. And when they were saying, the atmosphere in Manchester change. Yes, you know. The minute I say, this video, if I leave it here, some people will begin to write it on the media. You understand? So let me just delete it. That's why I delete it. I said, because where is Lola? I say, okay, if only you know, say this hotel with my Igwe, the suffering, the ficatili for you with my picking. You know, go ask, you know. You know, go ask. There's a lot of videos, pictures and videos. I don't know how people keep up with video and pictures. I don't know. You know, it was so nice. As if I post one of these pictures, oh, this is my full dress. It's this is my full dress. Yeah, this is more nice. This is more nice. Let me see. Yeah, this is my dress. See, I look like. I didn't even know there were pictures in this phone set. Oh, finish. As if I post a picture, everybody is going to know Lola is going to the occasion. So I'm not going to post a picture. Let me just go, you know. Thanks. And as if I post a picture, everybody will know she's coming, you know. So I will not post any picture. I'm going to post all these ones. You see there? Classy chic. Okay, this was when I went and bought what they call it. When I went and bought eyeshadow, I was coming back. I didn't go with jackets. I didn't go with jackets. When I got there, I just removed this. I just removed this cloth from the bed. I started using it to cover my body. Igwe was like, they will not allow you to take it. I said, Igwe, watch me and see. One coat to catch me. I didn't carry jacket. The thing now become my body cover all through. And it was so warm and so nice. We love the surprise. You guys love the surprise. Yeah, it was so nice. Really nice. You know. And look at my small Bobby. My cameraman. Me and him were doing the same thing. The view when you have your breakfast is something else, you know. Yeah. That Friday, Saturday, we just arrived, me and my Igwe. I said, would they find me? When leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. Because if I show you guys where I am now, did you enjoy? I did. It was super nice. Breakfast, everything. The view, man, the view is something else. At night, it looks as if you're in America. I'm telling you, it was super nice. And if you go up, we're at the 5th floor. If you're at 10th floor or 14th floor, you will love it. You will love it, love it, love it. It was really nice. And try my sister, she jealous. It's just too much. What's that? Oh. So guys, thank you all so much. Thank you. May God bless all of you so much. Manchester is a very beautiful. Oh, that place, that city center was really nice. I don't know if I can live there. I don't think so. But to go have fun the way I did, I will. To go back to that hotel, yes. It's nice. It's worth it. It's worth it. It was amazing. All right, guys. Let me leave you all to go and catch some sleep. I'm going to my Instagram. Let me go and see the people who are there. I'm not seeing if we have gone to night duty. I am at home today, so I have more time to watch. In fact, that's what I've been hearing since morning. I watch and rewatch. Frances, thank you so much. Love. Lolo, you really represent the organic mama that you are. Thank you so much. And I appreciate all the organic nation, all the organic queens, the ones praying. Pepe Dengang, how are you? Are you back from holiday? Don't be angry at me. Are you angry at me? Have you not slept? Since I came back, I just carried my handbag, come out from car, lay down on the chair. I slept till after 7. I had to force myself to stand up. I'm telling you. I just finished eating. I said, let me do this video. You know. Pepe, are you back? Don't be angry at me. Eh? Please. Good night, people. Let's go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. Let's go and see the people who are on Instagram. No, no way. Let's go to Instagram. Your dress was very beautiful. Yes, it was. Thank you. I called you yesterday because I know you were in Manchester. You did not pick my call. Oh, really? Hey, yeah. Was it inside the party? Because I saw a missed call inside the party. But if it was before the party, I didn't even know where my phones were. I've been sleeping after work. Oh, really? Oh, well, it's not easy. It's not. If we have gone to work, I don't know how he's going to manage. I really don't know how he's going to manage. My Instagram handle is the golden fish. The golden fish. The back. It's a normal. That's it. This is all at the back. It's a ear to ear here. I glue it since morning. I slept with it like this and I woke up. I just put my head, push, off I go. You know how much for the night? I don't understand. It's just like me. I know even how much for a night. Enjoying the gist. Hey, yeah. I want to go to Instagram to go and gist more. I want to go to Instagram and go and gist more. No, I'm not angry. I'm still on my holiday. Okay, you're still on your holiday. Oh, that's great. That's great. How's the family? I hope you guys are doing great. All right then. Hey, Pa. I did a video in the morning. I did. Thank you so much, Pa. A person has Paleyo. I watched his video. He said, now, I said, yes, so. Don't stay here, please. Oh. I'm going to go to Instagram. Instagram is an inner caucus. Inner caucus. Just the two things. Hey, bye. I will call him on the phone, sir. I'll call him. Thank you so much, Ipa. Thank you. God bless you. Bless you. I'm counting on you to make Germany own a success. I'm counting on you. I know you can do it. We are still all here with you doing the promo together. Guys, get ready. This is the reason why you walk. This is the reason why you walk. Wear whatever you like. Don't mind all these people. The other day, that one said, na fat people. Today, this one say, na dress. Tomorrow, the other one say, na smell. My people, please, don't listen to them. Because don't mind them. Go get your ticket. Wear whatever you have. Go and catch your phone. Go, catch your phone. That's why you are walking. Once in a while, you go there. If you want to spray, spray. If you want to eat, eat. There were a lot to eat there yesterday. Buy what you want to eat, buy what you want to drink. Drink and eat. Enjoy yourself and go to your house. That's why you are walking. Don't let anybody use their bad mouth to stop you. All right? Germany people, please. I don't know the date of Germany yet. I don't know yet. But please save for yourself and go and enjoy. Have fun. Have fun wherever you are. You, your friends, take one room hotel. All of you stay inside. You arrive either in the morning of the show, you sleep, you book for one night. The next morning, you carry your bag, you all are gone. You guys know now, those good old days. One night here, they break. And so, just together, 2, 3, 4 friends, all of you can go there together, use one room, attend the occasion, daybreak, carry your bag, go. If you are living far Germany and the location is far, book your ticket on time. There is nothing like booking on time. When you book things on time, 11th of September, thank you, my darling sister. 11th of September is still a little bit far, okay? When you book your ticket for hotel on time, it's cheaper. It's not because you don't have money, because you are a normal human being, and that's what it's meant for, okay? Book your hotel on time, pay, buy your ticket on time, even your train ticket, your bus ticket, buy everything on time. You will go and come back as if nothing happened. I'm coming. You understand? You will go and come back as if nothing happened. You understand me? So please, go get your ticket, prepare yourself. Paris people, buy your ticket, prepare yourself. Far and near Paris, book your hotel on time. When you book your hotel on time, you will enjoy yourself. You don't need to go and be looking for somebody's house to stay. No.